Week 6 Math Blast. Word problems. Joe put 20 cars in 5 equal groups. How many cars are in each group? Well, first I'm going to create my 5 equal groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are my 5 equal groups. Now I need to place the 20 cars in them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I place my 20 cars into the 5 equal groups. How many cars are in each group? Well, as you can see, there are 4 cars in each group. So 4 cars. Next, 2 multiplied by 9 equals 18. So 9 multiplied by 2 must equal, well, let's look at an array. So we can say 2 rows of 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now I need another row of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have my 2 rows of 9, so 18 x's. So let's look at 9 rows of 2. Well, instead of creating a new array, what I can do is if I turn this array, you can see it shows 9 rows of 2. Now I didn't draw any additional x's to make my 9 rows of 2, and I didn't erase any of my x's. So that means I still have 18 x's. Solve 4 multiplied by 2. Why can you use skip counting to solve this? So 4 groups of 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8. 8. 6 rows or groups of 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So I counted by 3 6 times and I get 18. 8 divided by 2. Well, I can use that same strategy that I used up here. I can have my 2 equal groups, and I'm going to place 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can see there are 4 in each group. 18 divided by 3. So now I need 3 groups. Now I need to place 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And you can see I have 6 in each of those groups. Next, subtract 65 minus 14. Well, I already have my places lined up, so 1s and 1s, 10s and 10s. So the next thing I look at is, do I have enough of each place? So I have 5 1s and I need to take 4 1s, so I have enough. I have 6 10s and I'm subtracting 1 10, so I have enough. So let's go ahead and subtract. 5 1s minus 4 1s is 1 1. And 6 10s minus 1 10 is 5 10s, so 51. Now here I have 183 minus 37. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write it vertically. So 183. Now, I'm subtracting. So now I need to write 37. Now I have to be very careful to line up my places. So I look. I have a 3 in my 1's place. Here, this number right here has a 7 in the 1's place. So that 7 goes directly underneath that 3. I have a 3 in the 10's place. Well, there's an 8 in the 10's place. So I'm going to write that right there. So now I have everything lined up. And now I look to see, do I have enough of each place to subtract? 3 1s minus 7 1s. Well, that's not enough 1s. So I can unbundle a 10. So I'm going to take one 10 away. That would leave 7 10s. So that makes 10 ones plus my 3 ones that I already have there. That's 13 ones. So now I look. I have enough ones, I have enough 10s, and I have enough hundreds. So now I can subtract. 13 minus 7 is 6. 7 minus 3, 7 10s minus 3 10s is 4 10s. And 100 minus 0 or no hundreds is 100. So 146. Next, picture graphs. It says ball sports played by students in year 4. So we have football, basketball, netball, soccer, rugby, and hockey. Now, one of the very first things I want to look at is in a picture graph is I want to look at this right here, this key. So it's telling me that one soccer ball is equal to 10 students. So I'm going to count by 10 to get the value for each of these. And now my question, how many more students played rugby than hockey? Well, there's a couple different ways I can look at this. So the first thing I could do is I could find each value. So let's look. Rugby. Now remember, I'm going to count by 10. So 10, 20, 30. And now, so that was rugby. Now hockey. 10, 20. Now, to find how many more, I could subtract. 30 minus 20. 0 ones, I have enough. 3 10s, I have enough. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 3 10s minus 2 10s is 1 10. So 10 more students. However, I could also just simply look, and if you look at these, the only difference between rugby and hockey is rugby has one more soccer ball here. Well, since each soccer ball is worth 10 students, then how many more students? 10. 10 more students.